It's what many of us fear during these brutal winter storms. A driver nearly ends up in a river in Union Township. Police say the driver was dodging some kind of snow hazard, and look what happened there. 9 on Your Side's Evan Millward is live there with what happened and how to avoid a similar situation. Evan?
Well, police here are calling this sort of a worst-case scenario. A car veers into oncoming traffic on a 2-lane road. Another car swerves to miss it, but ends up hitting snow and ice. Take a look at this video from just a few hours ago on Round Bottom Road. Take a look where this all ended today. That's the Little Miami River. I just talked to police about this crash out here. They say the man driving this car that you see there wasn't hurt, and that car really is mostly fine. So this could have been a whole lot worse. The police tips for you tonight: be aware of what's happening around you so you can avoid anything that drives towards you. And of course, only drive as fast as the road conditions will allow. As you can see this morning, that road, Round Bottom Road, still a little slick. We're live in Union Township tonight. I'm Evan Millward, 9 on Your Side.